Are you looking for a well-equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4 in diamond black crystal pearl. With black headlamp bezel finish, black lens tail lamps, Jeep black gloss badging, black leather seats with suede insert, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, 8.4-inch screen display, backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, QUADRA-TRAC 4-wheel drive system, remote start, power liftgate, cargo compartment covers, and so much more. For additional details or to set up a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5374.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.